up, hands up.
Hadi bakalım Yasin, salla gömleği.
Hands up, everybody now let me see your hands up.